Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread pakora. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 slices of bread, either white or brown, and 1 cup of graham flour for the crispy batter. For the flavorful filling, have 1 medium potato boiled and mashed, along with a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and 2 green chilies. These simple components are the foundation for a fantastic snack that everyone will love. Now let's create the heart of our bread pakora, the filling. Take your boiled and mashed potato and combine it with the finely chopped onion and minced green chilies. For an aromatic kick, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then, season generously with half a teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything well until it's evenly combined, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. Next, we'll prepare the crispy coating and assemble our pakoras. In a bowl, whisk 1 cup of graham flour with half a teaspoon of salt and a tiny pinch of baking soda for extra crispiness. Slowly add about 3/4 of a cup of water, mixing until you achieve a smooth, lump-free batter of medium consistency. Now, spread a thin, even layer of your potato filling onto one side of a bread slice, then top it with another slice, pressing gently to create a neat sandwich. Finally, it's time to fry our bread pakoras to golden perfection. Heat enough cooking oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat, aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each bread sandwich into the prepared graham flour batter, ensuring it's fully coated on all sides. Gently place the coated pakoras into the hot oil, frying them in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Serve hot with your favorite chutney.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.